What's up, guys? This is Will of Will's Gadgets and More, back with another video. So I picked myself up a pair of over-ear headphones. I've been in the market for a pair of them, kind of been watching videos and asking around about these, about some on Twitter. I had a few people recommend some, so I appreciate all the recommendations. But I was in Best Buy the other day and I ran across these. I had seen some videos about these as well. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money on headphones, just mainly going to be using them around my desk. I don't really listen to a whole lot of music, and when I do, I use my earbuds, my Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus or my AirPods, and that's how I normally listen to that music. I don't too much care for over ear or on my ear headphones, but I did need a pair for around my desk. Didn't want to spend a whole lot of money, so this is what I got. So these are the JLAB Studio Pro ANCs. These are for 45 hours of playback, 4 noise control modes. And like I said, these are over-ear wireless headphones. They have smart active noise canceling. They got custom EQ, wired or wireless, and cloud foam comfort. So these supposedly are shaped like your ears or fit your ears a whole lot better. And let's see what else we got here. So smart active noise control, custom EQ sounds. You do have the bass boost in there, dual connectivity, so you can connect this by wireless or with the 3.5 millimeter jack, which is USB on the USB-C on the other end. You got the cloud foam comfort, and then you got total control where you can play, pause, skip. So that is it. So on the active noise control here, you got high, low, off, and beware, which is the pass-through. So I like that feature as well. Here's what comes in the bag, in the box. Let's get into this box, check them out, and then we're going to try them out, and I'll let you know what they sound like. All right, so let's get into the box. No unboxing knife needed. All right, so that is that. Here's the content of the box. You do get your get a little pamphlet here. This is the user's manual, so it's going to go through and tell you how to set this up. Big clear instructions too. And then here's the back of it, so you get that. You get the earphones, headphones. Very light, man, very light. And we'll look at these in a minute. Let's see what else is in the packaging. This, so this is where you get all your other stuff here. All right, so you get some very colorful cable. I like that touch. So you get your Type C, so 3.5 blue. I like that. And then you get your charging cable, USB-A to Type C, kind of short cable there. And then you get your nice travel carrying bag here. It's got JLAB on it. It's got that nice blue on the inside of it too. That's a nice touch. Nice touch there. The hard case is probably good, but I'm not going to be traveling with these or anything. So here are the headphones. So you got this retro look with the wire sliding up and down. You do have a little JLAB branding there. Not too much padding up top. There's JLAB on it there. You got JLAB on this side, and then your wire comes through there. You do have right. They're marked right and left. There's left there, and then the cups feel pretty. The foam around these feel pretty good. Now these don't. You can't twist or turn these, but they do fold up. Very compact, small. This ear cup. You do have, look like a microphone here, and not too much going on that one, on that side. This JLAB logo right here. This is how you activate your noise canceling feature there. There's another mic. You got another mic here. I'm assuming these are mics right here. You got your volume up and down and your power button. And like I said, the foam feels really, really soft on these, man. They stretch out pretty good, as you guys see. You do have your wires showing there, but I don't think that's going to be a problem. So these look nice, man. Then on the bottom, This is where you charge it, your type C right there. So I'm going to try these out. Now this button over here doesn't, this logo here doesn't move, but over here, this is how you activate your noise canceling. So I'm going to try these out for a little while, then I'll come back and let you guys know what I think about them. All right, guys, so we're back in. I have been using these for a little bit more than 24 hours, more than a day. And I have to say, for my first pair of fairly decent headphones, then these are great. I've enjoyed them so far. So I like the bass boost mode best on these. Now they have two other modes on there they call balance and signature. Those really didn't hit the spot for me, but the bass boost mode was really great. It has some good sound, bass, the trebles and the highs sound pretty good, man. I have to say. Now I'm not an expert on these, or I haven't had many headphones. I had some cheap ones, real cheap ones, in comparison to these. And I have to tell you, these sound decent, man. May make me jump up to more premium pair. I'll just have to wait and see. So the bass boost was the best mode that I like out of the three. Now these do have active noise cancellation, and it's not too bad, man. I used it on high. It also has a low mode. With the low mode, I really couldn't tell, the difference. But on the high, it blocked out quite a bit of noise. Now you could still hear things going on around you, but once you turn that on and turn your music up, there was nothing. You wasn't gonna hear anything. So it was pretty good. Now they also have the be aware mode, kind of like where you can hear through to hear things going on around you. That worked pretty good, but there was always like a air sound along with it, like just like an air sound. I don't know how to really explain it. It's a little annoying, but you could definitely hear conversations and things going on around you. So not too bad. Now there was no latency watching movies, videos, and things. I had it hooked up the entire time with my Microsoft Surface Duo, and I didn't have any issues with latency or anything like that. Now for phone calls, these work great. I could hear the people on the other end well. A couple of people did say I sounded a little tinny, didn't have no bass in my voice, or just kind of tinny sounding. But otherwise, phone calls were great. So the buttons on here are excellent. No problem figuring out what's what on your ear. There's only two buttons here and one over here. So it was no issue answering phone calls, skipping through to the next track on music, pause, play, no issue. So if you want to cycle through your bass boost, balance, and signature modes, you just hold down plus and minus at the same time, and you can skip through those modes. This button over here, the JLAB button here, this is where you can go through your active noise cancellation modes. You can cycle through the high, low, and the be aware modes right there. And that works great. Very easy to use, and no issues with that. So using this plugged in was great. I plugged it into my Mac Mini over there, watch some movies, listen to some music, and plugged in works great. So no issues with that. So let's talk about the comfort and feel. I wore these for quite a bit of time. They felt really comfortable on my head, lightweight. My ears didn't sweat or anything like that. So the comfort and feel was great on this. Now, I do wish that they were a little bit tighter feeling. At times, I always felt like they were going to fall off if I turned my head too fast or leaned over all of a sudden. So as you see, these are very easy to spread apart. I had no problems with them fitting my head size. It's just they could be a little bit tighter. But other than that, very comfortable, lightweight. And I also think that the music could be a little bit louder. When I had it maxed out, it sounds so good. I wanted more sound out of them. So that is just a few things that I didn't like about them. But other than that, these are very lightweight, very nice for the price. Budget headphones. You can fold them in. If I get this acting right here, they fold up real nice here. Let me go ahead and get them right. They give you a little carrying pouch to go along with them. Wish it did have a hard case to go with them, but for me, I'm going to be using them right here. They're going to be probably get a little stand or something, or just throw them over to the side. Going to be using them at my desk area here, and these are going to be great, man. All I need The price on them was $69 on sale. I got them for a whole lot less than that because I had some points and whatever they call over there at Best Buy. They don't swivel in. This is all the action you're going to get right here, but I think they'll fit your ears pretty good. And battery life seems like it's going to be great. All right, guys, JLAB Studio Pro ANC headphones. Catch you guys in the next video. Wheels, gadgets, and more. I'm out.